Do what thou wilt shall be the whole of the law. Today I would like to speak on you are not your zodiac sign. See, as astrology becomes more mainstream, it has to be simplified. And when you simplify something that is complex, of course, there are going to be certain assets that are not spoken about. For example, your zodiac sign isn't who you are. It is more so the karma that you inherit during this particular lifetime. So, for example, if I am a Scorpio, that is not speaking about the great I am. As we know, the great I am is considered the all, meaning it encompasses all of the zodiac. So it is something not viewed from a singular position. So when we speak about the zodiac, we're speaking about the energy that we come into this world with, not necessarily who we are. This is further proven in astrology by astrology having various schools. Meaning most people simply deal with natal astrology. So for people who are more psychological, that particular school of astrology will appeal to them. If you're into things like psychoanalysis, how the mind works, how the psyche works, then natal astrology will be something that you would study. And because astrology has various schools, it shows us the vastness of it, how it can be applied in many ways. So it's not just one thing. Astrology is not simply a tool to decode the psyche. It can also be used to comprehend events, to predict events, to understand the political field and atmosphere, which goes more in the direction of what we call mundane or political astrology. And as we see, this would attract a different type of audience. Those who are more interested on or with world dynamics. So they may not particularly care too much about decoding the human condition or the human psyche. They may just want to know how the markets are going to turn out. What's going on over here? What's going on over there? So we see that's an entirely different school for an entirely different type of person. That's why we have, you can say, students of astrology. As you would say, a student is someone who is studying their interests. So you become a student of the things that interest you. So if we speak about mastery, to be a master of something, that means you have also studied the not so interesting perspectives about your said craft as well. And this is what separates those who are wise versus those who are knowledgeable. Many people are knowledgeable because they study their interests. So it's very easy to study the things that already spark you from within. It's pretty much effortless because you're guided internally by your own divine flame. But when you also have to study the things that you simply don't care about at all, but you must know about because it may apply to someone else, then you begin to see how vast this is and how, depending on the type of person that you are and that you are dealing with, this will determine how they approach these arts and these sciences. Whether it be astrology, numerology, tarot, all of these crafts spark people for different reasons.